Looking to upgrade your Chevy Colorado or GMC Canyon stereo without the hassle of ill-fitting parts? The double-din dash kit designed for 2015 and newer models offers a seamless solution. Painted in sleek gunmetal gray, this kit blends effortlessly with your vehicle's interior while providing a secure, professional fit for your new stereo system. What sets this dash kit apart is its user-focused design and precise manufacturing. Crafted from high-grade ABS plastic, it matches your factory dash's texture and style perfectly. Tested in real-world conditions, it ensures reliable function and durability. Users across the United States have praised its perfect fit and superior quality. One owner shared how their Pioneer double-din stereo slid right in, looking better than the stock dash kit ever did. If you're ready to enhance your driving experience with a clean, custom look, this double-din dash kit is worth a look. It's built to make installation straightforward, so you spend less time fussing and more time enjoying your upgraded sound system. Quick shipping and careful packaging mean you get the right product without damage or delay. If that's you, consider making this smart upgrade today.